Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2710 or 2700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Switch the printer on, then switch on the wireless button. Put the printer in a wireless mode. You need to press the cancel and Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. A warning light will highlight. The power on button will highlight, then you need to wait for light to show on the wireless button, and they will print out information. So printed out printer information page will show you that the printer is not connected to a wireless network. To connect this printer to a wireless network, what you need to do is to go to Play Store or App Store, select Play Store and install HP app. HP app. Install HP app on your phone, then open the app. This is the app. So once the app opened, you can sign in, then select plus. Add a printer. Set up a new printer or choose a printer available on the network. This is a new printer, so select the first option, choose a new printer. How do you want to connect the printer? Select Wi-Fi network, then select continue. Get the printer ready to connect to Wi-Fi network. Place the printer on a flat surface, then plug it on and power on. Connect your mobile phone to Wi-Fi network. Turn location and Bluetooth on your mobile device, then allow access when prompted. HP required this permission to find and set up your printer. Your location is not being sent to HP. Then select continue. Select allow. Select allow for location. While using this app, turn Bluetooth on. HP is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Select allow. So the printer is found. HP Deskjet. Select on it, setup. Select on it. Then it will show you connect printer to Wi-Fi network. You find the Wi-Fi network within the environment. So I'm going to put the password. So you get the password from the back of your network router. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Then select continue. So printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Press and release the flashing information button on printer. After release, please wait. So you go to the printer. This is information button. So press once and release it. Then you wait. It's preparing the printer. Printer prepared. Getting IP address. So the printer is actually connected to a wireless network. If you look on the printer, you see that the Wi-Fi light is now steady. But you need to wait for the process to complete. Connected to Wi-Fi network, IP address received, connection finished. Then you select continue. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network. So we show you processing. Then you select exit. This is the printer and the ink level. If you want to print out a document, then you select on the printer image from the app. Then scroll down and select document prints. Print documents. Then select PDFs. Take you to your file for you to select the document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. Then you select print preview. We show you the printer. Then you select number of copies. Scroll down. We want to print all. And also we want to print it in black and white. Then you select print. This is document we printed out. This is the document, second one we printed out. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network and print out a document to confirm that the printer is working. So after you connected this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, go to laptop start, go to the settings, then go to printers and scanners, add a device. It's going to search for available printer, HP Deskjet 2700 series printer, inkjet printer and scanner. Select add. So it's connecting. So it will show you connecting. You need to wait for the process to complete and it will show you ready. We can print a test page also to confirm that the printer is connected. So it's connecting. The app is installing. The printer is showing us ready. If you want to print a test page, then you need to select on the printer, then select print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Deskjet 2700 series on laptop. Color support yes. Port name WSD. Data raw. Windows x64. So once you've done that, if you want to scan document from your computer window, select scanner settings, then open scanner. Then go on the left side, scroll down and look for HP Deskjet. If it's not available, then you close this, then select scanner property, then refresh the printer. Keep refreshing the printer. You wait for the printer to show from the property. I'm going to close this. Another method to scan documents, you can also go to more devices and printer settings. It will open, select HP Deskjet, then right click the mouse, then select start scan, then you select OK. It will bring out scanner for you to scan documents. So put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. Close the cover. Then select settings, source flatbed. You want to scan this in color. Then select file, PNG, resolution 300 dpi. Then select scan. This document is scanning. Then you select more option. Save the property. Select where you want to save the document in the document file and the date taken. Then you select OK. Then select import. So this document is imported to the PC. Then I want to close this. If you want to add this with HP Smart App, go to Laptop Start, go to Microsoft Store, then search HP Smart App. Install HP Smart App to your computer, then open the app. On your mobile phone, you need HP app, while on the PC, you need HP Smart App. So the app is getting ready. The next thing to do is go on the left side, select Add / Setup. Then it will start to search for the printer. So it's going to search for available printer. HP Deskjet is what we are looking for. I have another printer, HP Envy, also available online. So it was showing us HP Envy, and also this is HP Deskjet. So I got two printers here online. So we're going to select HP Deskjet 2700 series, select on it. You need to wait and we see the printer on the screen. Here we go. This is the printer and the ink level. From this app, you can print document, you can scan document. This is HP Smart app. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network from mobile phone, then add it to your computer, and also scan document and print the document out also. If you want to see the document we scanned, then you go to the File Explorer, then go to Documents, then type the date the document was scanned. So once you type the date, this is the document. Double click it to open. This is the document we scanned, and this is the original one. So you can print it out also, just like we did. So this is how to connect the printer to a network. Thank you very much indeed.